Hi guys, happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from September the 24th through September the 30th. And I was going to do a movie this week, but I was so excited that it's fall now, I thought that I would do, I made my own stickers, and I thought I would do a spread on things that I love about fall, my favorite things. So let me show you what I've chosen for the paper. I love this paper of the little fox. It just looks so happy and fall. And then this one with the wood grain, it just looks like fall to me. And then I wanted to use this washi. It's really pretty, has like little red flowers with that yellow background, and I think that'll work nicely. And I'm either going to use this bronze Sharpie marker or this orange Papermate marker. So, and like I said, I made my stickers. So let me take my pages out of my planner, and I'm so glad that everybody loved this Dollar Tree sticker theme. I really enjoyed doing it. Okay, I think the dominant paper I want is this, because I think this might be a little overwhelming even though I love it. So I'm gonna go with this wood theme as my dominant paper. But I love this little fox theme. She just looks so snazzy and happy. Okay, let's put our paper down how we like it. I think this is going to be a really cute, sweet little spread. And very fall looking. Okay, I really do like that. Okay, let's put our paper down. It would have really been cute to make some stickers or have some stickers that had like little foxes on them. I think that is really cute. Oh, that is just sweet. I really do like that. Okay, let's start putting our washi down. That is really sweet. I can't remember where I bought this washi. It might have been in a tube at Michael's. I really don't know. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go right down through here. I think it will add a lot to just put this right down through here. Give it a very nice effect. I really like that, and I think I might put just a little bit right here because I feel like it needs a little something. And to be honest, it would be pretty just to frame these boxes in this. I think that would be a very cute effect. I love that. Okay, let's put our stickers down. And this one I made, it just says fall. And I'm just gonna put this one right about here. And I just love everything about fall, but I love trees that turn. So I think I'll put this right here. I love fall trees. I love Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. Oh my gosh, we had one the other day and I was like, ugh, so good. And I love fall leaves, like I said earlier. So this sticker is just a bunch of fall leaves in a wagon. I just love fall. And I love pumpkins. Pumpkin anything. I love to set pumpkins out. I love to, anything that tastes like pumpkin, I'm in for it. I love pumpkins. And I think I'll put this one maybe just right here. I love to go to those corn mazes. That's so much fun. And I love to watch Charlie Brown on the It's the Great Pumpkin, Charlie Brown. I love that kind of stuff. I think that is so fun. And I just thought these were so pretty with all the fall colors. Let's see, maybe I'll put this right here. And this is the only other sticker I'm gonna use, is just these leaves that are just falling down. So I think I may put these maybe just like this. Okay, now let me write a few things I need to do. I think I'll try this orange marker. Okay, let's put my pages back in my planner and we'll take a look at this, but I think it's really sweet. Just a really cute fall spread. Oh, I really do love how that turned out. I love this paper, and I love my little stickers. I think they just look so happy. And I love the washi. I think it's really pretty. So next week, I hope to definitely get back to my classic movie theme. I'm really looking forward to that. I have a really good movie in mind. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.